So what makes the RA model worth it? So the ZenBook A14 has two models, the RA and the QA. And the RA is actually 10,000 Rand more than the QA version. So it comes down to the chip. The RA packs a Snapdragon Elite with 12 cores and 45 TOPS of AI processing, faster performance built for power users. In our testing, apps launch faster, multi-tab Chrome browsing is snappier, file transfers over Wi-Fi 7 were fast as anything, and yes, the RA also includes Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. You also get a terabyte SSD, 32 gigs of RAM, and a 90-watt charger for quicker top-ups. And if you're a hybrid pro or an editor who values mobility, this is your MacBook Air M competitor.